Hello, my name is Gil Weaver. The second row is waiting, so let's start our cozy tatting evenings. For the second row, we need the same tools. Here's our pattern and let's go! Let's make 2 double stitches. Picot, and again 2 double stitches. As you see, I like to mark previous row in black, just to not overload the pattern with numbers. I like to make every row separately. Okay, we need to make a joint picot to the first ring of the first row. Make 4 double stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then make a joint picot to the second ring of the first row. And just make 2 double stitches, picot, and 2 double stitches again. Close the ring. Make a knot. And make the first chain of the second row. Okay, our first chain is ready. I'll make the rest of the row, attach the last chain to the first one, hide the ends, and I'll show you the result. So I'll be right back. And now the second row is ready. And now the second row is ready. If you're tatting along, please feel free to tag me in your posts. I would love to see your results, and maybe your work will be featured in my next video. If you'd like to support me, please scan Buy Me a Coffee QR code or check out my Etsy shop, where you can find even more tatting inspiration. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great time tatting. Bye!